welcome back. We got another great video here. We're gonna do pulled pork. Pulled pork. So we have a pork shoulder, bottom butt, Boston butt. We're gonna use a holy food, honey hog, mustard for our binder, and this is what's gonna be the key to making this a perfect cook. So let's get this started. All right, here we have it. Oh yeah. So we're gonna add a little bit of this mustard, just a little dab, and then we're gonna. And no, it does not give a mustard taste. You don't even taste the mustard when it's done cooking. Now let's go ahead and some voodoo. We get all the cracks. A little bit of sweet at the back end. Some honey. Love this. Looking good. Same thing on this side. Now that we have everything ready, now let's add our meat stick. Wireless. Oof, I've been wanting this for a long time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it all the way to here. So bone's over here, so I'm going to go through this side. There we go. Easy as that. So now we're going to go on the app. So we're doing the app now is we're going to go and see what we're going to do. We're going to smoke it. We're going to look for the pork. We're going to use pork butt on this one because that's what they have, and pulled pork. So the temperature that we're going to be going is, the end is 200 degrees internal temp. The Traeger, I'm going to set it at 250 degrees. So I don't know how long it'll take. This is my first time. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up this Traeger. So the wood pellets that I'll be using today is going to be hickory pellets for this cook. All right, our Traeger's up to temp. Look at that smoke. Go ahead and put this right here. The beauty of this is this will take the temperature of outside. So this will let me know what the Traeger's running at all time. So we'll be back when this hits 160 to go our next stage. All right, this is ready. It's at 160 degrees. Ooh, look at that color. It's at 160 internal, so we're about to wrap it in butcher paper. All right, guys, here we have it. This is stage 2 of this whole process. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in butcher paper, because it's better than foil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our thermometer, probably hot, put it down, and now we're gonna wrap. And we have it. That. Wrap it like that. We're going to put our thing back in there. Just like that. And it's going to go back in the Traeger till it hits 200 degrees. We'll be back. All right. The meat stick has informed me that the internal temp has hit. We're ready to take it out. So we're going to take it out and we're going to put it in the cooler for an hour so it could rest for 1 hour. So we'll do that and we'll see you guys in 1 hour. Finally done after 8.5 hours. Took a long time, but we let it rest for an hour. And it's warm in here. And there's the finished product. Let's open it. Juices. Ooh. Doesn't that look juice? There's a bone. Well, it just comes off like that. There's the bone. And there's just, look at this, guys. Look how juicy. It's hot. Look how juicy it looks. Look at this top piece with the rub. Man, that rub's so good. This is really good. I'm gonna do a pulled pork sandwich. Maybe tomorrow do some tacos. Make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, check out these videos. I'll see you guys next time.